Hi guys, I have another unboxing today. These are some of my flip orders. This is from Peter Thomas Roth, and it is the Peptide Fill and Fix Under Eye Cream. All right, that's number one. Oh my gosh, they want to make this one really hard to get into. This one is from Naked Sundays, and it's the Ready Set Glow. This is the Hydrating Glow Mist with the SPF 50. I'm so excited about this one because I'm a fair girly, and I always put a sunscreen on under my makeup, but I want to be able to re-up on my sunscreen every 2 hours, as suggested. And then I got one more, and this was actually a free item that I was gifted. And it's Odor Go Healthy Air No Odor. It sterilizes, deodorizes, and is mildew proof. Free gift. So those are the 3 things I got in my packages today. The Peter Thomas Roth, the Naked Sundays sunscreen, and this Odor Go sterilizer. You guys, it was my birthday this month. One of my best friends, she gave me a gift card to Ulta. So I have an Ulta haul to do because I want to do my skincare and my makeup for the morning, but I need to go through this first. So, didn't get really anything super exciting. I got this Nutrium Salicylic Acid body wash. I got a bunch of stuff from The Ordinary because since I haven't been working, I don't have a ton of money to spend on super expensive skincare. But I got this caffeine solution that's supposed to reduce appearance of dark circles and puffiness. I got a 2% retinol, emulsion, amino acid with B5, and then a soothe and barrier support because retinol can be tough on your skin, and I'm just starting to use retinol, so I want to be able to protect my barrier as much as possible. And then my other best friend got me the Fenty Heat Gloss, so I'm really excited about that. I got the NYX Buttermelt Blush and Buttermelt Bronzer in the lightest shade for the bronzer, Buttercup, light neutral, and then my Butter Half in Cool Pink. And I'm really excited to try these. And that's it for my Ulta haul. Not super exciting, but all stuff that I needed.